So where are we travelling to today?
Sofia,
Yeah.
Bulgaria,
Yeah, and then on to
Heathrow
on British Airways.
on British Airways. And so far it's been okay.
So far it's been okay from Heathrow,
Oh, from Heathrow, yeah.
Terminal 5. Yeah. The flight is full today, so they said if we check our bags in at the gate, we can get on the airplane quicker. So that's what we're doing, so we're just waiting to get on the airplane. So let's go, go, go.
Please place your small bag.
That's cold. No. Yeah, plenty of these ones, man. Right there. Wet side. They smell nice.
Looks nice in there, doesn't it, babe?
Really?
Looks nice. Did look nice. Sorry?
Ladies and gentlemen on the flight deck, please don't be alarmed. It's gone a little bit dark in the cabin. That's because the electricity supply from the airport has just failed. Very shortly we'll have some onboard power for you and you'll be able to see where you're going. Thank you.
Number 11, Cal. This is 11A, B, ain't it, Cal? Lovely, thank you. We made it.
Flight lead Ricardo, he's assisted by Camilla, Lee, Kaylee and Svetlana. First of all, apologies for the late departure of this flight. We should be pushing back from the stand about now. Unfortunately this aircraft was delayed inbound and we're doing our best to catch up as much time as possible, and we're just waiting for the catering to be loaded and then we'll be ready to call air traffic control for our permission to leave the stand. Once we make our way out from the stand, we'll taxi towards the eastern end of the airfield, taking off facing the west, and then shortly after departure a couple of left-hand turns will have us facing east. Our route from there will take us across Kent, the English Channel, over Belgium, southern Germany.
Okay. Pushing back. Carol's downloaded the app, yeah?
Yeah.
Just going through it now to see what you do.
Yeah, we've got Wi-Fi currently not available.
Oh, right. We're supposed to have Wi-Fi, so I'm going to find out in a minute if we've got some.
flight, Sofia. Today working with me, a fantastic team with Camila, Lee, Svetlana and Kylie. A special welcome.
Working how long we got to the actual flight. Mine's not actually. We just have to wait and see. Nice bake. Unexpected, wasn't it? Have to wait and see if they come in with any more food. As we haven't eaten nothing today so far. But this is nice. Okay. Thank you. Right, so what did we get? You got in your one? What's that there? Fizzy bong, yeah. Gluten-free olive crackers. What's that?
Soft crispy twig. Soft crispy twig.
Right. I got pickles, cheddar cheese, and the tea. The tea you have to do yourself. Can you open it for me? It's very hard to open it myself. You got penny. Lovely. Put the lid back on. And you got to do your coffee yourself as well. Right, let's see what these are like. So basically what you get in this Plowman's box is cheddar cheese spread, applewood spread, 6 crackers, 3 of them dark, 3 of them light. Vegetarian one you get pickles, snacking pickles, which are just like little pickles. You get chutney, isn't it? Yeah, that's a vegetarian one. In the meat one you get, what's that? Binton. It's not too bad, is it? Once you actually decide to make it yourself, it's not. It would have been nice to have a knock meal, but you get a tea and a coffee. That's the little pickles you get. But it's tasty. But no, I prefer something warm over a sandwich on toasty. But as you're not eating, I think it's quite nice. What do you think?
It's actually very nice. I like them ones, but
It is nice, isn't it?
they gluten-free. And I like the big ones. I love
Once you get over the novelty that you've got to do everything yourself in a confined space.
I would have got the vegetarian ones.
Yeah, you like the pickles, didn't you? I like the actual meat. As normal, when we order meals, we always get the opposite. I didn't actually order vegetarian, that's all they actually had there. My tea's nice. What's your coffee like? I think this is all Marks and Spencer's food, isn't it, as well? British Airways. I may be wrong, but I think it is. First look at the Alps. So hopefully soon be there. What are them charcoal crackers? And what is that there, Alex? Is that the... That's I've tried the apple one. The apple was quite nice, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Well, yeah. But yeah, it's not been a bad flight, is it? It's been very smooth. But just wish they'd done a bit more food. But they did come round with a breakfast bar and a water right at the beginning, which everybody got. You didn't have to order it, so it's not too bad, is it? Let's crack on. And what is that chutney? Just normal. Just on that. That was gorgeous. What's that? And look how. At first look at the snow mountains of the Alps. Overall, what would you actually say about the film? Tea and coffee? Yeah, my tea was lovely. I like my breakfast teas. And I'd give mine about a 7. I just got used to the idea that you're in a confined space and you've got to try to manoeuvre yourself. And even making your own tea and all that. But I'd actually give it. Yeah, so it wasn't too bad. And we can see snow. So we're just leaving Austria, about another hour to go. So far not a bad flight at all. As you can see, the exit seats give you a lot of leg room, don't they, Carol?
Sorry?
A lot of leg room on the exit seats. Sorry? Shows your little legs. Yeah. And even though they said the flight was full, when you look backwards it's not. Is it? No, it isn't that way. But anyway, we'll soon be landing, hopefully. Everything's been okay. Really good flight so far, really good.
About 10 minutes or so we'll commence our descent for the initial stages of operation into Sofia. Our routing from here takes us most likely to a point just to the east of the airfield, so we can land facing the west. they're making good progress. So despite the delays leaving London, we're expecting to arrive at our scheduled work time in about 35 minutes from now. If there's any significant changes, I'll keep you informed. But in the meantime, enjoy the rest of the flight.
Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Carol. Carol.
Yes.
You're
I'm
in
here.
Bulgaria.
I am.
You happy?
Yes. When I see the bags come through.
When we see our bags come through, we'll be very happy.